Hi everyone, welcome back to my channel, and today I'm going to tell you how to factory reset any old Nokia phones like this. Let's go to menu, then go down, go to settings, press select, go down, restore factory settings, press select, and then its security code they preset as 12345. So I don't know if you change it, just type your code in, and mine is 12345. I didn't change it, so press OK. Setting restored. So yeah, basically you resetted your phone already. Thanks for watching. Comment, like, subscribe, and see you the next time. Bye.